how to switch profiles on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you a quick way to switch your profile on your Facebook application. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just make sure you have successfully logged in with your account, and you can see your profile icon at top right corner over here just below the messages section. What you need to do is simply long press on that profile section, and all of your linked Facebook account will be appearing over here, and simply select on any of the choice of your account which you want to switch to, and simply select that particular account, and just like that open the Facebook once again, and just like that you have successfully logged into your another Facebook account easily. So that's exactly how you can easily log into your another account or switch into your another account on your Facebook. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.